In a world dominated by smartphones and smart speakers, sometimes it's really refreshing to go back to basics. Today we are checking out this pocket-sized radio that's packed with features and style. Hey guys, my name is Vishal and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the XHDATA D220, a compact and affordable radio. The inclusion of FM, medium wave and shortwave bands in a pocket-sized radio is a rare and valuable feature. Let me tell you why I love radios, especially pocket-sized radios. Well, as a communication engineer, I value the simplicity and reliability of radio technology. Radios provide a convenient and independent source of entertainment, requiring no internet connection. Simply switch on the device, extend the antenna, and enjoy uninterrupted entertainment audio programs until the battery depletes. Their compact size makes them easy to carry anywhere with you. With no complex interfaces or screens, they are straightforward to use, and many pocket radios are built to last. They can withstand harsh conditions and they require minimal maintenance. They are generally more affordable than smartphones or tablets. Whether you are looking for a reliable companion for your outdoor adventures or a simple way to enjoy your favorite radio stations, a pocket-sized radio is a great option. Well, this radio is powered by SI4825-810 digital signal processor. And yes, of course, it's a DSP-based radio. This chip is responsible for decoding and processing the radio signals, ensuring clear and accurate audio reproduction. It's a reliable and efficient chip that contributes to overall performance of the radio. The XHDATA D220 is packaged in a minimalistic box. Inside, you will find the radio itself and a user manual. So now let me give you the initial impressions of this radio. The XHDATA D220 feels sturdy and well made for its size. It's a bit thicker than I prefer, but it's still a solid little radio. Let's examine the design more closely. I have this radio in black version, but the radio is also available in two other colors as well, which is green and yellow, which looks really good. On the front, you will find the model number and a red power LED indicator. Moving down, there is the tuning dial indicator and a speaker grill with XHDATA logo. On the left side, there is a band select switch and a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is just perfect to listen to radio without disturbing your neighbors. At the top, you will find a telescopic antenna, and for medium wave, it has got built-in ferrite antenna. This radio comes with wristband for easy carrying. And on the right side of the radio, there is a tuning knob along with the volume knob. The same volume knob which also functions as power switch. The rear of the radio features a convenient kickstand that allows you to prop it up for hands-free listening. Below the kickstand is the battery compartment where you can insert two AA batteries to power the device. And please do note that the batteries are not included in the package. This little radio offers you 4 bands: FM1, FM2, medium wave and shortwave. The FM1 broadcast band from 87.5 MHz to 108 MHz is widely used across the globe. It's the most common FM band in North America, Europe, Australia and many other countries. Well, on the other hand, the FM2 broadcast band from 64 MHz to 108 MHz is primarily used in Eastern Europe and some former Soviet Union countries. This band is often referred to as the Organization of International Radio and Television Band. This radio is equipped with medium wave band that covers frequencies ranging from 52 to 173 kHz. Now coming to the fourth band, shortwave. This is where all the excitement of international radio broadcasting starts. The shortwave band is also known as high frequency band, which is typically used for radio broadcasts in the frequency range of 3 to 30 MHz. This band is often used for long-distance communication, especially in areas where there are no suitable medium wave or FM stations. This small radio has so many frequencies packed into its shortwave band, it's very easy to skip stations if you tune too quickly. So be gentle when turning the dial. Now let's see how well this radio performs in terms of sound quality and reception by listening to different radio stations.
ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಅವರು ನೇರದ ಚಿತ್ರ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾ,
ಸಿನಿಮಾನು ಹಬ್ಬನೇ ರೀ, ಅದು ನವರಾತ್ರಿಗಳ ಹಬ್ಬ, ಇದು ನವರಸಗಳ ಹಬ್ಬ. 100 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾರೋ ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು.
ಕುಪ್ಪಣ್ಣ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ನ ಫಲ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಮೈಸೂರು ದಸರಾ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಲು ಬರುವ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರ ಕಣ್ಮನವನ್ನ ಸೆಳೆಯಲಿದೆ. ಆಕರ್ಷಕ ಹೂವಿನ ಅಲಂಕಾರ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರ ಮನ ಸೂರೆಗೊಳ್ಳಲಿದೆ.
Well, considering the price and being a pocket-sized radio, the sound quality is clear and the reception is reliable. I just love this little radio. It's like having a whole world of music in your pocket. Given its compact size and affordable price, this radio delivers surprisingly good sound quality and reception. If you like listening to radio talk shows, you will be delighted with the clarity and details of the audio quality from this little radio. Sure, it might be a high-end model, but this little radio has its own magic. A tiny radio with big personality. This tiny treasure may lack the features of larger models, but it's packed with charm and convenience. Whether you are hiking in the woods, commuting to work, or simply relaxing at home, this radio has got you covered. This pocket-sized radio is your perfect companion. So tune in, turn up, and let the music play. This radio is available for budget-friendly price of just 1000 rupees, and check out the video description for the buying links. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. Let me know what you think of this little radio in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.